நீங்க இன்னும் நம்ம சேனல சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாமயே பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கீங்கன்னா, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. பக்கத்துல அப்படியே அந்த பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use prevent term delete module, and let's see how to use this. Actually I've installed this module and you can see that here, and prevent term delete. Yes, I've installed this module and it is enabled, and I can even check the configurations. Prevent theme delete. So I can even check the configuration, and I'm going to edit for tags, the existing vocabulary, and I'm going to let them. No, I don't want to show the delete button, and the 30 contents will be shown there. So now I'm going to check for the content types which are enabled with the tags, and yeah, the article, the default article content type is enabled with the tags. So I'm going to add some content over there. Initially we can add some tags, and before that, if you know, I mean, I'm using the local installation, and I'm using the things with local minikube. And if you need to know how to use minikube setup in your local and use the Drupal installation, you can check out my channel. And this channel you will have all those playlists. Here we will have the Drupal tutorials. Go to this tutorial, you will have all the Drupal demo, and the first video I have the minikube setup in local. That video I have, you can use those setup video, and you can set up the minikube in your local, so that you can run n number of Drupal installation or whatever software installation. I mean, Drupal or WordPress or whatever the technology, even Mongo, everything you can set up, and you can use those multiple setup in your local machine. So I'm going to add some tags there. Taxonomy term, list terms. Currently there is no tags, and I'm going to add some tag demo one. So demo 2 not tag with content. So these are the two tags that I've created. Now I'm going to add some content, and already the content is there. I'm going to tag it. Tag demo. No, I'm not. I'm going to use the demo one. So this is the tag I've now. This is the content I've added. Test content, and the content should not be content tagged to demo one. Uh, so this is the UID, and it is showing for my installation, Drupal installation, because I'm using edit UID model. You can use those model to show this one also. So the content tag to demo one, this content tag to demo one. Now I'm going for the uh, taxonomy, and I'm going to list the terms, and I'm going to delete this one. Say if I'm trying to delete, but this model is showing, prevent term delete model is showing that you will not be able to delete those tag, because the content is already I mean, this tag is already, demo one tag is already tagged with some content. And if you want to force deletion, even though after currently I'm hiding the delete button here, but if you wanted to show the delete button, you can change those show delete button. You change that, and you will be able to show the delete button there, and you can delete the content. And now I'm going to untag those thing. Not. I'm going to remove those tag. or I'm not going to remove the tag. I'll show the other tag, and this is the other tag. I am again going to hide the delete button, and others, this is the other tag which is not tagged with the content. So this it is showing me to delete the tag. And if I'm trying with the tag that is tagged with the content, that is not allowing you to delete. And if you want to force show the delete button, you can just use the this one. It will show you the delete button, and you can able to force delete the tag, and inside the tag, your tag, it is automatically getting removed because the tag is deleted. So this is how you need to use the prevent DOM delete module. You can use, by default you don't show the delete button if you want to restrict the users to not delete the terms if it is tag, I mean if it is clubbed with some content. So thank you. I hope this video will be helpful to use this module, and you can see our other modules demo also, and you can subscribe to our channel where we will have we will post videos in the playlist. We'll post the videos in the playlist where you can access to the playlist, and in this you will have the playlist, and you can see the Drupal tutorial playlist where and we will volume have all mounts for now videos listed. And once you have access to this playlist, you can see all the Drupal demo. Thank you. Thank you, friends. நீங்கள் இன்னும் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாமே பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கீங்கன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. பக்கத்தில் அப்படியே அந்த பெல் ஐக்கனை கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.